Sena at this point seems to be mounting the pressure on the BJP, saying that Shinde will not move to the capital to take up a central post, and however has made a Tiger Zinda Hai declaration. This is interesting here as far as now what could be done as far as the positioning of Eknath Shinde in the Mahayuti alliance is now concerned. Of course, now that he is the caretaker chief minister, what would be his role in the new government, that remains to be seen.
सावधानी अब उनको बरतनी थी, उन्होंने नहीं। हम तो सावधान हुए थे, इसलिए आज हमारा बाला साहब की शिवसेना लेके हम चल रहे हैं। हमको ना भाजपा फंसा सकती है, ना कोई पक्ष फंसा सकता है। हमारा एक सोच अलग है, हमारा संगठन अलग है, हमारा बाला साहब के विचारों की शिवसेना अलग है। इसलिए शिवसेना शिवसेना रहती है, उसको कोई सावधानी बरतने की जरूरत नहीं है। ये वो शेर है जो दहाड़ेगा तो सामने वाले के पतलून गीली करेगा।
Well, Nilesh, strong words coming in. Of course, when it comes to the positioning of all of the parties there in the Mahayuti, they have been claiming that they have their own individual identity first before they actually got into this alliance.
Well, as all the leaders from the Mahayuti have been claiming that everything is fine and decision is expected in next 2 to 3 days. But the question arises, if everything is fine, then why not the names are being declared? The picture behind the curtain is that Eknath Shinde is not very keen to lose his seat, the post of CM Chief Minister, and he wants to repeat his tenure. But it is BJP again with a hard bargain with a number that it has around 130 plus seats. So that is the point in here that is currently seen being mounted by Eknath Shinde and his faction, that he should be repeating the tenure. The victory credit goes to him and not to alone one bigger party, and hence this delay is currently being seen. However, we are also getting to know that Eknath Shinde is not only asking for CM position but also certain very important portfolios for his minister, because we remember that how after the division from the original Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde, multiple leaders were not given what they were promised, the portfolios they were promised, and it was for a quite long time that the portfolio distribution was pending. Around 5+ portfolios were left unattended,
and hence a certain formula that has now been worked upon when it comes to the party with the maximum number of MLAs, and which terms into the number of ministries that they would be getting possibly in the new cabinet. As Nilesh continues to be with us, of course, the demands that have been kept for to be a part of the new Maharashtra cabinet. Let's also listen into what Union Minister Ramdas Athavale, who has been backing Devendra Fadnavis for the top post of the chief minister, has said that Eknath Shinde should rather join the centre in Delhi.
Sir, Ramdas Athavale is along with us. Sir, आप फडणवीस साहब से मुलाकात कर पहुंचे हैं, क्या लगता है स्थिति कब तक साफ हो पाएगी? महाराष्ट्र को अगला मुख्यमंत्री कब तक मिल पाएगा?
मुझे लगता है कि 1-2 दिन में, मतलब आज या कल ही निर्णय हो सकता है उसके बारे में, और मुझे लगता है कि आम सहमति से या कोई किसी की नाराजगी ना हो, इसीलिए बीजेपी, शिवसेना और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता बैठकर इससे संबंध में निर्णय लेंगे। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि जिस तरह बीजेपी को 132 सीटें मिली है और अजीत दादा पवार जी के 41 एमएलए ने भी देवेंद्र फडणवीस नाम को सपोर्ट किया है, तो उनके पास इतनी बड़ी मेजोरिटी है, तो एकनाथ शिंदे जी को 2.5 साल तो मिला ही है, और वो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे उन्होंने काम किया है। 2.5 साल काम उन्होंने 5 साल जैसा उन्होंने किया है, तो इसीलिए उनका भी सम्मान होने की आवश्यकता है। तो मेरा सुझाव ये है कि अगर देवेंद्र जी का नाम तय होता है तो एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को केंद्र के मंत्रिमंडल में, नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मंत्रिमंडल में बड़ा अच्छा स्थान मिलना चाहिए, और हम कोई विवाद नहीं करेंगे। माननीय एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने भी बोला है कि भाई जो निर्णय हम आम सहमति से करेंगे, तो इसलिए मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा जल्दी मीटिंग के बाद ही तय हो सकता है, और मुझे लगता है कि भाई देवेंद्र फडणवीस का नाम तय हो सकता है।
Well, only statements for now that seems to be coming, as the final decision is still awaited as far as who will be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister. Nilesh, thank you very much for the moment for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.